So namaskar, it's me Sinmoy and I am again back from my backyard farm with real talk and real experiences. So today I am gonna tell you about some cash making crops that you can also grow and earn a good amount of income from farming. So let's go
and learn about farming. Today, we are not just talking about crops, we are talking about the triple threat of modern farming, which is black pepper, moringa, and animal husbandry. These three works together like a well-oiled machine. By the end of this video, you will see exactly how to integrate this for maximum profit. So now let's start with black pepper. Black pepper or black gold. In our Assam climate, this is a literal gold mine. Why? Because you don't need extra land for it. Pepper is a climber. You can grow it on your existing supari or coconut trees or any kind of trees. Now, what's the strategy? My strategy is to use the Pioneer 1 or Karimunda variety. They love our humid weather. One mature vine can give you up to 2 to 3 kg of dried pepper. Now let's come to the maths. The existing rates of 1 kilo of dried pepper is around 500 to 600 rupees. So one plant can give you around 1500 rupees. So now just imagine how much 100 plants can give you. Thus 100 vines can bring in a massive side income with a almost zero extra land cost. So is the number one and the ultimate vertical farming. Now let's go to the second crop, which is moringa or drumstick. In local languages we call it sojana. But there's the secret. Don't just grow it for the drumsticks. In 2026 or a new era, the real money is in the leaves. Moringa leaves powder is a global superfood. You can harvest leaves every 60 days. If you focus on high density plantation, you can fit 1500 plants in a small area. I can give you a pro tip, which is moringa is a natural biostimulant. If you use moringa leaf extract as a spray on your other crop, it can boost their yield by up to 20%. It's a crop that feeds your pocket and your other plants. So it's one of the best crops to grow for a beginner farmer. Now let's move on to the third one. It's not a crop. It's the farming method which we called animal husbandry, which includes the farming of goat, pork, chicken, poultry, ducks, etc. Now, how do we tie this all together? Animal husbandry is the ultimate method, whether it's black Bengal goat, local poultry, or a small piggery or a small duck farm. Animals are your insurance policy. In a village setup, the biggest cost is feed, but look at what we have. You have moringa leaves, which are 25% protein and make world class animal feed. Plus, your livestock provide the organic manure, gobar, that every plant crave for. Black pepper and moringa will grow twice with gobar. It's a zero waste cycle. One goat can sell for 10 to 15,000 rupees, and every poultry farm with 100 chickens or 100 ducks can provide you a very huge and a profitable amount of income. So it is one of the ultimate thing which you can do as a farmer. So in conclusion, farming is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. By combining the vertical growth of pepper, the fast cycle of moringa, and the steady growth of livestock, you created a resilient village economy. So, which of these three are you most interested in? Comment pepper or livestock below so that I can help you with detailed guide videos, including each and every topics that needed in the upcoming days.